Hi guys, what's up? It's Nat and Hannah and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So as you can see this glamorous makeup look, that is what I'm gonna share with you. This is my Eve Christmas makeup look. So look at how settled and beautiful it looks. I know, right? So ये वीडियो को ज़रूर एंड तक देखना and I am gonna be talking about some insecurities, acceptance and what you all need to stuff it in your head today. So ये वीडियो को ज़रूर एंड तक ज़रूर देखना. It's gonna be really useful and जल्दी से start करते हैं. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let us start with my makeup look. So for my Christmas thing, I thought of wearing black this time. अभी तक मैंने कुछ shopping start नहीं किया है, but let me see. I probably might go with black only this time. और मैं online से shopping करूँगी. So yes, something like glittery, sparkly dress है. So I'm gonna keep my makeup. I usually only follow this one makeup routine. अगर आपने बहुत पहले के भी videos देखे हैं तो that is how I do my makeup and that is something only I know. I can't do more than it. I don't know how to do those heavy eyeliner, eyelashes, all those things. जितना मुझे आता है मैं कुछ की mix up करके कर देती हूँ and I hope this is useful for you. And it is also beginner friendly. So let's get started. First thing is I'm using the Zudio का Glow Vitamin C Hyaluronic Acid का. This is a tint. Skin tint with SPF 50 and PA+++. So इसको मैं लूँगी आजा and I'll just dab it on my skin. पता नहीं आज मेरे को क्या हो गया है. Unplanned video schedules are like this only. कुछ की बोलते जाऊँगी. So I just like love doing this thing. Actually बहुत ज़्यादा ठंडा है, मुझसे कुछ भी काम करे नहीं हो रहा है. And yeah, so with my brush I'll just dab it quick. Today I thought of talking about how to face your insecurities or what could insecurities be. This is a very sensitive topic which I thought I have to really talk, and makeup karte karte it would like be like a general talkative session which would encourage people to watch my video and also simultaneously I'm doing something. So what according to everyone is insecurities? For some girls insecurity might be their appearance. We just like usually this is a very common insecurity that if you're dark in your skin color, you feel isolated by yourself. Like I know your friends come and encourage you saying that ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता, but when you are in that stage, like when you are going through those things, you will know what is the pain that other person is going through. So insecurities is something that is a very sensitive topic and it has to be dealt very carefully without hurting others' emotions and feelings. Now for my eye makeup, I'm using something red, hot reds. So I'll go with this shade. So yeah, as we were continuing the topic about insecurities, so what I really want to share is that we have to stop spreading hate. That's the first thing I've learned. It's actually a life lesson when you are also indulging yourself into these activities like embarrassing someone or letting show someone down, which will also affect you, to be very honest, and I have faced it, so I'm coming here to talk. In the sense, we all do this. This is something which has got common. We all do this. We tease our friends. We make them feel insecure in many ways. If we start hating someone, we just spread the hate so badly that other person maybe like एक कान से सुन के छोड़ देगा, but somehow internally it affects their person a lot. For example, myself. People might be commenting hate about me. What am I doing on YouTube on this platform? But I might say कि हाँ मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता, but somehow in my heart I feel कि क्यों ऐसे मेरे बारे में लोग बात कर रहे हैं, because this is a natural human tendency. I'm making some fiery type eyes look. I applied red eyeshadow. Now I'm keeping some golden eyeshadow in the eye corner and making it like this. Whoa, it looks good in the camera. So yeah, and you have to be strong among yourself. For some people, many people have many insecurities. Like for some people it might be about their complexion, not having so much friends, trust issues, being not accepted in the family or in the society, being isolated. Some people cannot express their feelings and thoughts. They cry, they go into depression, they end up their life. You know, why am I talking all this? Because it's very necessary to know. You know, nowadays mental health has been made a joke among the society. Like, ये mental health वगैरह कुछ भी नहीं होता है, तुम बस अच्छे ही हो, ऐसे वैसे. The thing is, you need to accept that this generation sucks and work on yourself. For people to tell about you would be very easy, just mocking jokes and cracking around. But you to be yourself is very important at this scenario. So one thing I want to tell you all is just stop spreading hate among your friends or your enemies. Even your enemy might be your enemy, but at a time, you know, you need peace in your life. So you can't, if you keep thinking about your enemy, that will only give you frustration and nothing else. Your mental peace, your peace would be totally disappeared. So just stay calm, stay up to yourself. Even if you hate a person, just pray and then move on. If the person has literally dealt your life so badly, he tried ruining you, he or she tried ruining you, speaking about you so much, that shouldn't be done, but it's okay. एक कान से सुन लो, छोड़ के चले जाओ. You will be totally healed when you trust these words from me, because I have also faced all these and I came up. For me, the biggest thing what was for YouTube जब मैंने start किया, I was very scared of being judged by people कि मैं क्या करूँगी, कैसा होगा मेरा हाल and everything. I just trusted the process. When I trusted, see, being a public figure is not easy. Just you are coming, representing your content, and people are watching you. Each might have their own perspective. I can't you know, sit among with people and tell that नहीं मैं ऐसे कर रही हूँ, मैं बहुत मेहनत कर रही हूँ, you have to like me. No, each individual has their own perspective of watching me over here. For some people, they might like me. For some reasons, people might not like me. So I'm just being myself. I can't change totally myself for someone's happiness, right? You being yourself is first thing. It's okay. You being yourself matters when you are in you know, relationship with someone. Okay, the scenario is if you are in a relationship with someone, there's many things that you have to accept, let go and work. That is another scenario. If you are an individual person, you are yourself, then you don't need to change yourself for others. Others might change, that is their issue, but you have to be yourself. Because if you keep changing yourself for acceptance and asking people, and if you are expecting from people, that is the biggest mistake you will do. Because you can't expect from people and have no hopes. They are there, you are you. So, you know, stop begging for, you know, acceptance, or, you know, request people to stay in your life. The right one will stay and the wrong ones will leave. So now I'm gonna apply my lipstick. I'm telling markup my words, they're gonna be really, really useful. I never thought of coming up and talking up like this, but I thought to just make this, to make this session little interactive. So yeah, we were talking about insecurities. So insecurities, everyone has their own insecurities. There is no one in this world who is made perfect, darling. You need to really hear this when it comes to insecurity. People might face many things, but they might show outside the world something because they don't want to show the sad part of their life to people, right? So for many people, there will be many insecurities. Like the common insecurity, what I spoke was the complexion, because recently I also faced one of my friend. She was literally shattered down, you know, by the way, you know, the family treated her. Their family used to, like, you know, literally go over her, तो कितनी काली है, ऐसी क्यों है वगैरह and all. And they used to, you know, accuse her so much कि, you know, तुम ऐसे नहीं हो सकती, हमारे खानदान में सब गोरे लोग हैं and all. But how can this be possible? If a child is born, this is totally genetically related. How can you blame the child for everything? This is not at all fair. What we are is representing our parents because we have been brought by their genetics. So this is something you need to accept. And अभी अगर थोड़े घर पे हम जाके बात भी करेंगे, वो they won't understand. They'll just like try to shut our mouths. So only thing is we have to work on ourselves. Now I'm gonna apply eyeliner. Yeah. So, dealing with insecurities is something too hard. I would not tell you to deal, but something to come over. If once you come over your insecurities and become confident, no one will stop you from being you. Many people like try, don't build up insecurities, but if you have one, try to overcome it. For some people, I'll list out some things like being fat, being too skinny, being very skinny, and some people their appearance complex. I know it's hard to accept by the people who are dealing with it, but you know what? Once you start accepting yourself and embracing, nothing is gonna stop you from being you. See, there might be some things. See, each and everyone in this world is jealous of their other person. Like, तू इतनी सुंदर है, तेरे बाल इतने लंबे, तू वैसी है वैसी है. Each and everyone is, attracted to something or the other from the others. So we can say that someone is wanting from us also something. So you can tell, no, you are nice बोल के. काय को फिर insecurities वगैरह. Suppose for example, I have my one friend who has really long and thick hairs, and I am very slim. She adores my, fitness, and I adore her hair. Like maybe she might be thick in her personality and she adores the way I am. So that means she's attracted, right? So why are you, when the person who is seeing you like that is not insecure, then why are you supposed to be insecure by your own image? See, acceptance is something that you really need to go through, but I would suggest that overcome your insecurities. Don't be shy, don't be ashamed of who you are. Be proud of who you are and be proud of who you are gonna be, because you are gonna make your future. You are not living for people, so don't give a damn shit about people. And as I said, the right ones will stay. It is in your hands how you choose the right people. Just if you feel your friends, your relationship, your whatever is toxic, leave them. Some people go off to depression, they cry. You cry, let them go, but do not beg them to stay in your life, because that's the thing that you shouldn't be doing. Once you start begging, no, they think that is the weakest point. That वो लोग ऐसा सोचते हैं कि तुम मेरे बिना जी नहीं सकते. That shouldn't happen. You have your own self-respect. You have your own personality to build, right? So you shouldn't, let go such things. The only main fact in this video is insecurities should be, सबके हैं, लेकिन you have to overcome them, and you should ensure that your insecurities doesn't become your fear. Like that shouldn't be excuse me, that shouldn't be a burden in your life, because once you start building, and if people start judging you by your insecurities, your life will become more expected than a hell. So you should be strong. लोग आएंगे जाएंगे बात करेंगे, उनके बारे में हमें फर्क नहीं है, because they don't give a shit to our life. The right ones will encourage you, motivate you. The wrong ones will just make fun of you and go, or the wrong ones will maybe just use you and go. So you should be careful about your surroundings. And in this generation, you cannot expect anything. Like seriously, trust me, you are you in this generation. So I am done almost with my makeup. Let me just, I guess everything is done. मैंने सब जो मिला मैं डालते गई. Yeah, so this is my final makeup look, and I spoke well. Let me know. And just be strong up to yourself. You don't need to give a shit like what others think about you. Yeah, so what I said and how I overcame, I can tell this also. मेरा सबसे बड़ा insecurity was, being skinny, and starting up YouTube channel was a big, something, representing in the public and people coming up towards you with various opinions. Starting में भी मुझे, बहुत hate मिला था, but I somehow convinced myself to be here. And the main point of this is, some people might hate you, and then some people might like you. And you know what usually happens? If some people start hating you, you stop making videos and everything. I don't know why. There are some people who like you and who wants to see you. So hate ko to side फेंक दो. You should always think positive and be positive is the main thing. अब मेरे को उतना ज़्यादा तो hatred नहीं मिला, but yet it somehow affects me internally. but you know you shouldn't give a shit about those all things, and you know work on yourself. That's the bestest thing you could ever do in your life. And you know, don't beg for acceptance. Be yourself, girl or boy. You would really be happy rather than just falling into these traps of acceptance and insecurities, and you know overcoming these all. Just be yourself, pray, be happy. Okay, so yeah guys, that's it for today's video. अगर आपको मेरा ये video और talk अच्छा लगा, if there is anything you want me to speak about overcoming, you can definitely comment me below. So this is my glam Christmas मेकअप लुक. अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो जरूर लाइक कीजिए, कमेंट कीजिए एंड सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. मीट यू ऑल इन माय नेक्स्ट वीडियो. टिल देन कीप सपोर्टिंग, कीप लविंग. बाय.